this is Jenny Wheeler with Straightaway Travel. Today I'm going to show you the recently renovated rooms at Hyatt Zilara, Cancun. The entire resort just went through an extensive renovation. Today's video is the Junior Suite Ocean View with 2 beds. Let's check it out. Hello, this is Jenny Wheeler with Straightaway Travel, and today I'm excited to show you inside the newly renovated Ocean View Junior Suite here at Hyatt Zilara, Cancun. The entire resort has recently undergone a complete renovation, and you can absolutely feel the fresh, modern upgrades from the moment you walk in. This suite is a spacious 653 square feet, so there's plenty of room to spread out and relax. And of course, the star of the show, your breathtaking ocean views of the Caribbean Sea. Whether you're waking up with coffee in the morning or winding down in the evening, this view is hard to beat. As you walk into the room, you'll notice the beautifully updated design, comfortable furnishings, and bright, airy feel throughout. Depending on your travel style, this room comes in either one king bed for couples or double beds for families or friends traveling together, accommodating up to 4 guests. One of my favorite features of the suite is the double jetted tub, perfect for relaxing after a day in the sun. The bathroom also includes upgraded amenities, plush bathrobes, a vanity mirror, hair dryer, garment steamer, and everything you need to feel right at home. There's also a mini bar that is included and restocked daily. You'll find beer, soft drinks, snacks, and even an espresso maker for your morning coffee fix. Other room amenities include complimentary Wi-Fi, room service, a pillow menu, flat screen TV, in-room safe, turn-down service, air conditioning, and your own private balcony or terrace depending where your room is. This suite really combines luxury, comfort, and location all in one. If you're thinking about staying here, please reach out to us when you're ready to book. Our company website is straightawaytravel.com, or you can reach out to me directly at my email, jenny@straightawaytravel.com. Be sure to check out my full resort tour as well as my other videos on different room types. Like and subscribe to our channel to stay up to date on everything. Hi, I really hope you enjoyed my video. When you're ready to book your next vacation, please reach out to us at Straightaway Travel. This is my QR code here if you would like to reach out to me for a quote request. You can also email me directly at jenny@straightawaytravel.com, or you can reach out to us on our main website, www.straightawaytravel.com, and complete a quote request there. We look forward to working with you. Thanks for watching.